wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I am doing a haul of some new things that I picked up from Ulta, Sephora, and from Beyonce's new hairline. Remember the video I told you guys, letting me know what you guys want to see? I paid attention, so those videos are on the way. So if you guys want to know what I got, let's go. Okay, so first my Sephora order. I told y'all in one of the videos that I just uploaded that I purchased this Topicals Slick Salve Mint Lip Balm. It's the one that was causing all that just chaos on a Tik Tok, because like you can't have an opinion on anything, whether that be good or bad nowadays, without someone wanting to confront you about it instead of just purchasing it and having your own experience with it. I be telling people that all the time, but there's only so much my reviews can do for you, okay? You literally just have to try it out for yourself and see if you like it. And just because you do like it or you don't like it doesn't negate my experience with it. This is what the lip balm looks like. So I have already used it and I told you guys, is it sticky? Yes. Is it like an unbearable sticky for me? No. Anything to complain about with this? Literally no. Y'all already knew I was gonna get this new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum, Mattifying and Priming Face Serum. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a, well, water to powder serum. So in the tube, it looks like water, and then I'm assuming like once you apply it on the face, it will look like powder. It says do not shake, just tap bottom. Oh, okay. And then the last thing I got from Sephora is this 54 Thrones Cloud Rapid Hydration Barrier Repair Cream. Baby, I hadn't tried some body butters, body creams before. I've already tried this. I can't help myself. But this one, first of all, they have a vanilla option and a rose. I think rose is the scent of the other one. I was gonna get the other one because it's a new scent in this product, but y'all already know me and vanilla be like this. So I got the vanilla. It smells like vanilla, but like a softer vanilla. Not like, don't think Vanilla 28 by Kayali if you own that. Like that's a strong vanilla. Or was it Vanilla Woods by Seven Virtues? Not that. It's like a milky vanilla. Kind of, what's that brand? What's the brand? I just bought it. It's literally called like Milk or something like that. I'll have the perfume pop up here. It's more towards like that type of soft vanilla-y scent. I'm already making a dent, and I just got this Friday. Friday? Yeah, it had to be Friday. And today is Monday. That's the dent that I'm already putting on this. Now this is like $36, something like that. It's a little tiny for $36, but a little goes a long way, and it's just like literally your body feels rich and hydrated after using this. So absolutely positively, I kind of want to smell the rose one, just see what it smells like, but I already know like once this is done, I will repurchase this. Okay, moving on to Cécred. I don't know what it is, but when I see the name of this brand, I keep seeing like 2 E's, like Creed, like think Creed. I keep seeing that. Someone was like, baby, it's Cécred. I was like, you know what, you was right. But you guys know Beyonce launched her hair care line. I went on the website launch day. I saw what she had to offer. So the first thing I got is this Cécred clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. I got the clarifying shampoo. My scalp can get pretty dry, and after I you know, like take out one style to switch into the next one, I just like a nice little clarifying shampoo to really get up on in there. And I told you guys, did I tell you guys? I don't know if I told you guys, but this quick weave has to come out. Yeah, the bob is real cute, you know, it was giving grown. I like this. I'll probably do it again sometime later this year, but like I'm over it. And that's the problem, like I get over hairstyles really quickly. Like once I get the hairstyle for whatever it is that I needed it for, either, you know, I'm going to a wedding, or there's certain content that I want to film, or, you know, it was my birthday. Like once that passes, I'm just kind of like, okay, on to the next hairstyle. So I am over it. I'm ready to take this out. So when I do, I will definitely be using this. I don't know what I'm gonna get next with my hair. But I will be using the products to see how it works for my hair. And the other thing that I got from them is the moisturizing deep conditioner. I was looking at the hair oil, but I was like, you know, I don't know how I'm gonna like the lines. Let me just try, you know, just regular shampoo, conditioner, and see how that works out for me. So stay tuned, because I'll probably do like a whole separate video on that, like its own video on this. Y'all know I don't do hair type videos often. So that'll probably be coming up next. I had to get my thumbnail. Very cute packaging. It took me a second. I was like, wait a minute, how do you open this? I was literally doing this for a good like 2 minutes before I was like, oh, that is what that product opens up, looks like. Push that back down. And then I didn't try opening the conditioner. Come on. Oh. Oh, she's thick. What do you smell like? You smell like something. I can't tell, but that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, I only got 1/2 of my Ulta order, but I just went ahead and did this video because I need to start filming the videos from this haul. So first thing I got from Ulta is the Juvia's Place Ready Set Sealed Setting Spray. Y'all saw this in the video where I was talking about new launches coming out. There's also like a radiance booster or a highlight booster type thing that they came out with, but it wasn't on the site when I placed the order, and of course I went back the next day and then it was on the site, so I did purchase it, but but this is what the setting spray looks like. I am intrigued. Have they had a setting spray before? Is this Juvia's Place for a setting spray? I don't know, but we'll see how we like it. And lastly, I asked y'all if you wanted to see a I tried about face so you don't have to type video, and you guys said yes, so that is what I did. I went and I purchased more products from About Face. So this is their Cheek Freak in Cowgirl, and she looks like this. Okay, that is a very pretty color blush. Okay. Oh, okay. I got their Volumizing Mascara. Lately, not gonna lie, some of the more, you know, higher priced mascaras have been doing it for me. Now, I still fully believe in like that Essence. I think it's like, is it $1.99? Essence has a very cheap mascara that is very good, but the YSL mascara lately, absolutely. And I don't know, something about Face just giving that the products hit. So I'm excited to try this mascara. You know, it really wouldn't be me if I didn't get some type of balm or gloss from the brand. So I got their Lip Fix. Oh wait, no, I didn't. This is their hydrating lip primer base. I got a lip primer. Oh, I think, yeah, I got the lip primer because I was just kind of like, I want to know what your lip primer is going to give. I know a lot of people don't believe in primer like anywhere, but I have, you know, obviously face primer on. I do use lash primer now, so I was intrigued, like, what is your lash primer going, lip primer going to give as far as how my lips come out in my makeup look at the end. And then the last thing that I got from About Face was the Matte Fix Lip Pencil. This is a brown. It's in the shade Grounded. And I feel like, just from the color on the packaging, that they're not going to let me down as far as this being a brown. Do you see that? Do you see this brown? Okay, come on. Ooh, okay, hold on. Okay, About Face. That's what I'm saying. Like, me and About Face, I feel like we see each other. We're together. That's the foundation that I have on today. That About Face foundation that I tried a couple videos back. Absolutely. And yeah, y'all, that was it. Just very quick video of some new products that I picked up. Some of the products that I saw you guys saying you guys wanted videos on, and just letting you know like what's to come in the next few weeks out of me making content. So yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know down below if there's anything that I need to check out. Like I said, I did end up getting that booster thing from Juvia's Place. I was thinking maybe like a full face of Juvia's Place. Let me know if you'd want to see that. What else? There was something else. I don't remember what it is, but let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.